Yeah.
May I speak to Mr. Vicky?
Yes, yes.
Yes, actually, I have ordered today 1 liter milk, and we need it desperately for my daughter. And where are you now? And it's approximately 12 in the noon, and your order must be reached to us about
Mhm.
11 a.m. But you are not on the right place right now. Where are you?
Yeah, sir. Sorry for that. I was leave. I was leave. Um, I was leave to take you milk from my house at the same time. But due to some this lockdown period, I'm getting late because you know I mean all policemen and you know, want to stop me and want to screen me, and that type of problems is happening with me. So sorry for inconvenience, but I will be late a little bit more.
Okay, wait a second.
Yeah,
I think father role is very strong right now. I want to reverse the character. Swap the character,
mhm,
okay? Swap the character. Now, Vicky, you are a father. Now, Mr.
mhm.
Sharma, you are a milkman.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
All right. So, Vicky, you are a
yeah,
father. Now, I have swapped the character. Now, please dial Mr. Sharma and have a word.
yeah,
You are a father,
yeah.
So, Mr. Sharma, what you
Mhm,
were lacking in you, you are a father. You had to ask the question. It's a
mhm.
matter of your daughter. 3 months old, beautiful daughter is hungry right now and she's crying.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
show some anger a little. When you're playing a character job, don't focus only on words. Be the character. Okay, Mr.
Yes,
Vicky.
yes, yes.
Now you
Okay,
need to
okay.
dial to your milkman and get the milk delivery before 4 o'clock. Convince the milkman to come to you. Okay,
Okay, okay.
go ahead, dial them.
Yeah, yeah. Hello, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, and I'm on the line. How may I help
Yeah,
you?
yeah. How how you asked me that how you may help me? You have to help me to get the milk now. I mean, where are you? Where are you? It's already 12 o'clock.
Sir, we are apologize for this inconvenience. Our milkman is on the way, and he will reach you up to 4 p.m. And this is
4 p.m. Sir,
yes,
sir,
4
sir.
p.m.
4 p.m. 4 p.m. is not a time. Well, okay. You have to anyhow you have to do that at a 4 o'clock in the morning. You always come with your milk to my house at 4 o'clock in the morning, and now you are getting late. And late, this is not only late, na. This is too late. Okay, you are coming to my house 4 o'clock, so it is not any benefit of that. So why is this happening with you? I mean, tell me the
Okay, sir,
reason.
let me explain it to you. We
Mm-hmm.
got your registration for 1 liter milk packet at 11
Mm-hmm.
a.m. and 11 a.m. after 5 minutes, Government of India announced the lockdown. On that time, our delivery boy is in our shop now. Right. So that's why we are little bit late after reaching after for delivering your product.
Okay. So tell me one thing. So you know already that you are late. Okay. So and you are too late. So there's a lot benefit of milk. So you have to, if you are stuck in any problem and you knew already that lockdown period is going on. So you already had to do something. Now I have a 3 years old daughter, and she's hungry now, and she wants milk. So try
Yes,
to understand.
yes, I
You
tried.
already should do something.
Okay, okay. We are tried our best from our side, and we already discussed this matter with the local administration. They
Mm-hmm.
suggested us to stay inside, and also suggested us to convince our customers to be inside and do not come out.
Okay, okay.
So
So I believe,
and they are making a plan for us to how could we give this milk to deliver to your home. Maybe someone from us or maybe someone from Maharashtra police will come to your home to for delivery of this milk.
Okay. So today is not any I can see that today is not any benefit of that milk. So it will be better that you will go back to your home with your milk, because it's already 4 o'clock and there is not any sense of that milk, right?
But
So
we are
so don't get it.
very conscious about your daughter. She is only 3 months old, and then if we took back this order from you, then how could you feed her? So it's very unhuman for us to bring it back. Even we decided in our meeting that we will give this milk to you free of cost, but on the time when our clock allows us at 4 p.m.
Okay. But yeah, if you are giving that milk from the fridge, so that yeah, I can receive. But you have to think about it. You have to think about it, and you don't have to do next to this. Okay, so mind it. Okay.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Call Raghav.
You had not
Yeah.
to be convinced, Mr. Vicky. This was the first rule. Why did you convince? And Mr.
I
Sharma,
convinced
I
you.
had a question. I really have a question for both of you guys. One thing that I couldn't find in both of your conversation, you were not exactly knowing the script. What
Hmm.
was the script? I believe you were not paying one thing that is called active listening.
Mhm.
You had to be active to listen me. What I said, Vicky is a father and Mr. Sharma is a milkman. Vicky has a 3-year old daughter, sorry, 3 month old daughter, and Mr. Sharma had to deliver the milk by 6 o'clock in the morning. Now the time has come to 12 p.m. The milk hasn't delivered yet. Okay. So why did Mr. Sharma added like I got the 11 o'clock your order and then I will be delivering you 12 o'clock and some sort of other things. You had to do the job by 6 a.m. man. Mr. Sharma,
Okay.
you forgot the script?
Mhm.
Don't do that. Okay. So another thing that I would like to tell you, Mr. Sharma, you mentioned took back. Okay.
Mhm.
If you took back your order, this will be inhuman.
Mhm.
Right. Humanity will not allow us some sort of language you added. So took
Mhm.
back, if you take back your order, right? If you
Mhm.
take back your order, not took back your order. Okay?
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. Now, moving to that actually you had not to be, I would say, mm, convinced. No problem. This time, if I see if anybody is being convinced, I'll help them with the logical point. Okay?
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'll help you both. Maybe if somebody is going to be convinced, I'll help you both. No problem. Now, the second role playing job is okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now, okay, you are a customer. You are a
Mhm.
account holder. Vicky is an account holder, and
Mhm.
Mr. Sharma is a bank official on the other line of call. Vicky wanted to transfer the money because somebody was facing issue
Mhm.
in hospital.
Okay.
Okay, and Vicky was failed to do transaction.
Mhm.
Okay, and now Vicky is trying to make transaction. He's not able to do that. He has no source of other thing to make payment. Now Vicky will call to his bank, and on the other line, who is there as a customer care? uh,
Mhm.
Mr. Sharma is there. So Mr. Sharma will have a
Mhm.
word. You need to convince Vicky, and Vicky, let's see the war how it began. Okay,
Okay.
any other plot you want?
No. Okay.
All right,
Done.
Mr. Sharma,
All right.
you understood the script, right?
Mhm.
Okay, fine. Go on. Vicky dial, bank
Yeah.
officer.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi. I want to make a money transfer to someone account.
Mhm.
by your side it is failed again and again. So what happened? It is necessary to send my money to their
Okay.
account to
Sir,
do
may I
something.
know your bank account number?
Yeah. Suppose I give you.
It's very good if you tell me.
Okay. Suppose yeah. Suppose I give you. Yes.
Okay. So let me check what is the problem with this account number. Give me a second.
Okay.
And oh yes, sir, your Aadhaar card is not registered with this account number, and
Oh.
you also already have two more accounts with our bank, and
Okay.
your Aadhaar card is linked with those account numbers, and here is only your PAN card is registered. So that's
Okay.
why you are facing this problem. It's good
Okay.
if you do transaction with your another account, then your transaction will be successful.
Okay. No, but there's no money on that account. Okay, and I also don't want to use that account because that account is also, cutted my money all the time. So I don't want to put my money on that account. Okay, so leave that. That is not. But this account is from your bank, so you have to do something. And if you are saying that my PAN card only linked, my Aadhaar card is not linked with that. So do something, talk to your manager, or let me talk to him. But I have to do it because I'm just facing lots of problems about that. So please try to understand.
So
Do something.
for this clearance or for this type of transaction, you have to visit our branch for once. You are requested to come here and visit here, or I will send you an email with the performa, and you just take a print out and sign it on that performa and mail back it to me. Then we will clear your, we will by default block your this account which you are not using to do transaction, and activate your another account number.
Okay. So, but sir, you are telling me these things. So, also you can understand. Like I told you that I'm in a problem. It's very necessary to send that money to the account. So, sir, you can understand, and also you can understand that how much time it will take, whatever you are telling me to do that. Okay. So you can understand this very well. So please try to understand. There is a member of my family. He is in a hospital right now, and he is a critical condition. So please try to understand. It's very necessary to me. And now I am in office, so I can't do anything. And whatever you are asking to me to do, so it will take time. Okay, because also I cannot apply for the half time from my office. So there are lots of problems. So please try to understand. And if is it not possible with you, then please talk to your manager and let me talk to your manager, because it is not a way. My account is in your account. Everything is going on from your account. So try to understand. Now, PAN card is already linked. So what is the mean of Aadhaar card to link? Try to understand. Do something. Yeah, I frustrated.
Okay. What I found when I was scanning your account details, you already have a insurance policy with us. You have a
Okay.
card with that insurance policy. You just show this card to the administration of that hospital. They will allow you and bind up you with a credit limit, and they will give you a huge discount in your transaction. And there is no need to do bank transfer, like money bank transfer. The transaction will be done by default from that security insurance card. So you have no
Okay.
need to
But
do this kind of transaction.
okay, sir, but what I think that would be easy for me. There is not a matter of discount and all things, because as I told you that someone is in hospital now. So try to understand. This is not matter for me that how many discounts I can get. Just leave it. I think that would be easy, more easier for me. Okay, than this whatever you are offering me. Okay, so don't offer me. I don't want you offer any offer from your side. I just want to help. That you will help me. I'm just coming to you with that motive. Okay. So and there's a very old account in your bank. So And if Aadhaar card was not linked, then also before before the you should do you should do the message from your bank side to me to do this Aadhaar card link, but I didn't get any message from your side. Okay, and now when the problem is coming, then you are saying that you have to do the thing. So this is not a this is not a logic. Okay, so do something.
There are few checklists which we need to be complete to activate your net banking. Right now, manual transactions are activated on your account, but if you want to do internet banking activation, then you have to send us few documents like Aadhaar card and your other details. I will mail you the all details of checklist. Will you please give me your email ID? Once you finish this detail filling process, and after that your internet banking will be activated soon, within an hour.
Okay, so tell me one thing. Yeah. So you mean to say that if I would send you the Aadhaar card, online, and if I that then you can go ahead with your process, right?
It is up to you. It is up to you if you want to send or not. If you do not want to send, then you already have your online portal. You just log into your account number and enter your Aadhaar card detail over there. It is only for your convenience. If you want to send it to us, then we will do it for you. If you want to do it by your own, then it is your wish.
Okay, so there is no need of signs and there is no need of anything except this submit the Aadhaar card, right?
Yes, only within 1 or 2 minutes it would be take to register.
Okay, so
As much as time you are spending right now on mobile phone, just allow me to send you a link, and you just register your Aadhaar card over there, and within 1 or 2 minutes your activation will be your transaction will be activated.
Sir, you know what? This was not a hope from your bank side, and whatever you are saying now. But if you're helping me that much, then also if you can help in that situation, like I have not a Aadhaar card right now. I'm in office, as I told you, so I have not Aadhaar card. So how can I do these things? If you are helping it, so please tell me something. Otherwise, you have to do something.
Okay, then you can do one thing. We have a different policy for this kind of situation. I will email you a performa. You just give your consent and just made a sign on it and give it to back it to me. We will pay your all money from our side, and later on we will credit your account.
Okay. Yeah. So now what I have to do for this?
You just need to give us a mail that your transaction is not running, and you please do a bank transaction from our side, from my consent.
Okay. So it means only I have to make an application to your bank account, and this thing will be over, right?
Yes, this is only for today only, because onward this hour and onward your email, we will activate your internet banking also. But in the meantime, you because your time is very important for you and us, then we should need to pursue this transaction immediately.
Okay. So nice. This is a good thing. If you can help me only for this situation. So yes. So today you can do that, and after that, I hope you will register my Aadhaar card when I will when I reach at my home, and I will send you to my Aadhaar card, and you can link.
No need to send us. As I told you, that you can bind up.
No, I'm just asking these all things to do next, because now I can do anything. So now you have to do something to help me. Okay, anyhow, I don't know. But
you just need to log in your portal, online portal. You have your Aadhaar card and customer ID number and password, and you just log into that portal and insert your Aadhaar card over there. In the meantime, we will do your transaction into the.
I will do these things. After solving this problem, because right now I can do anything. I don't have a Aadhaar card to link that. Okay, so I will do that before, I mean after this all things. Okay, when I reach
Okay.
at home, then I will do that. But now you have to whatever you said that how you can help me, so help me. Okay, with that way, and I'm ready. I'm ready to share the. I am ready to make the application and mail to your bank account about
Yes,
it. But sir,
definitely.
make sure after that should not be happen any problem, because this is the very critical time and I don't have much time to wait for this. Okay, so if you are sure, then you can do that. I'm just mailing you. Okay, and I hope that in 2 or 3 hours you will help me on that.
Okay. Every person who followed some certain rules and regulations, they were
Mm-hmm.
not facing this kind of problems because uh, people are who people are registered with us and registered with our bank. They are already making online transaction. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
because they are already registered their Aadhaar card and bank account, ATM, sorry, अपना Aadhaar card and
Mm-hmm.
income tax detail, PAN card
Mm-hmm.
number with their online profile. So if you
Mm-hmm.
do registration with your Aadhaar card number and PAN card number, then you will not face any kind of hurdle in your future.
Okay. So now for this time I don't have to do anything. Now I have just to
No,
do
no,
the
no,
mail,
no.
right?
You don't need to do anything. You just send us an email that you are
Okay.
facing this kind of problem and you want to transfer your money from this email address and sorry, this account number, and we will do it for you for this time. And later on, you are able to do by your own.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nice. Good. But and also the another thing I would say that talk to your manager regarding these things. Okay, this because this is not only happened with me. This can be happen with anyone. Okay, and this type of problem can raise in future maybe. So anyhow you have to solve this all problems too. So if you want to do the meeting with your manager, so do that. Anything you can do, but you have to solve this problem because my everything is linked now to the account number except the Aadhaar card. So this is and I'm also in emergency. Okay, so this is the not a urgent. So I would say make it clear for future for anyone. Okay, now thank you. I'm just going to mail you and do help me. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Great.
Yes.
Great, great. It was a really long conversation. But yeah,
Yes.
Mr. Sharma has really a great patience that I need to appreciate him at the very first go. He has patience, a key of success,
Okay.
and he handled you very well. And why were you exactly hesitating to tell your rights? It is your rights, your money. The guy, Mr. Sharma, is
Mhm.
just an officer to handle your money. That's all. You had a complete right to tell him to explode on him, but you didn't do that.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. Now there is another the segment will be on the same role playing. Here I will take a role. So Vicky, try to understand how am I doing it. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, Mr. Sharma, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So here you and I will be role playing. Okay.
Okay.
So here let me decide the character. Okay. So I'll be your client in
Mm-hmm.
your own profession. So I believe if you go with your own profession, that would be easier for you, and you will able to collect the vocabularies as well. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. So I'm your client. I'm from Canada, and yeah, I have given you my responsibility project of my website, but I found I got some security threat.
Mm-hmm.
I got some security threat. Now I'm making you a call. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I want the project back from you.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's do this. Anything else you want? Okay.
No. Okay.
Great. So gonna move on. Uh, hello. Is that
Hello.
Mr. Sharma?
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Sharma. Actually, yeah, I'm Raghav from ABC.com.
Hello,
Actually,
Raghav. How are you?
don't ask me how am I. Just tell me what the heck is going on with my website.
What happened? You have to tell me.
You are the responsible for my website. What happened? What kind of question this is, first of all?
Okay, what happened with your website? Let me take a look from the backup.
Of course, you need to do that. There's a pop-up warning. Pop-up is happening, and some sort of like a porn is being played. Isn't it like a good for my health and for my business? A lot of my clients and even my another business partner is in coma. Even I would say, like he's not able to conscious. I would say, and what kind of things you're dealing with? Yeah, if you are not able to manage those
No,
things,
really?
don't worry.
Just a
I
minute, just
have
a
a lot of
minute.
people who can do it.
Just a minute. Let me take a look about your plan, what is going on. And yes, Mr. Raghav, you took this plan which is free, and actually I'm talking about the hosting plan, and I forced you on that time that you have to buy a paid plan. But you on that time you told me that no, I need a just cheap plan. That's why this hack is going. If you bought, if you allow me to buy a next plan, which is premium plan, in that plan, nothing will happen like this. And
Wait a second, Mr. Sharma. So is that your plan? Now I get that. The popping the pink porn on my website, it's all about your.
no,
It
no,
is
no,
a
no, no, no,
part
no,
of
no,
your
no,
plan. You
no,
wanted
no,
to
no, no,
send
no,
me,
no.
you wanted to sell me your premium plan, huh? And I wasn't able to get that. Now I get this completely. I'll sue you in court. Trust me, I'll sue you in court.
Just listen to me. That plan was also available on that time. Uh, right now, which plan is currently working is bought by you, not bought by me or bought by you from the XYZ company. We are just providing the service of your website development, not for server maintenance. And on the time, I was requested you to buy a plan from us, but you on the time you rejected our proposal. You get us down that you need a cheap plan. You have a cheap plan, and
I
your plan
wanted to
is.
experience first of all. Why would I go exactly with premium? Do you go premium? No, exactly. You don't go to premium. First of all, you check
But then
exactly
it's your experience right now. You are facing this experience.
by you because I thought like see to be very honest, I had a great relationship with you and plan even for future that if the guy and this their coding and other things will be success for me from a shorter terms, so I can buy the premium plan. Even I had 2 3 more my business partners, my business rivals, so I could convert those people as your clients as well. But no, you had my faith and you are now busting it. So what best can you do?
This thing is done to you by your current service provider,
No,
not by
don't
us.
argue with me. Trust me, Mr. Sharma. I'm being very polite to you. Don't argue with me. Fix the problem.
Yes, we can fix the problem. It is not a big deal for us, but for this purpose, you have to give us your username and password, which you are already have from the another company.
Why would I give you the password? No, I am not allowed to give. I know what kind of things you can do if I provide you my password.
Without opening that, to open the door, we need a key. To come into to be into your server, we need a username and password. That after that we are able to fix your problem. Without
How
that,
do I
we are not
trust
able
you?
to.
How do I trust you? I given the complete access of my website, and now website is showing something irrelevant which was not supposed to play it on my portal. And do you want me to give you extra access to make it more clingy? Huh? This is what you want? You want to, take down my business in Canada? Dude, you are in India, but I have the, external affairs contact. I can shut down your own bloody business over there in India. Trust me. You don't know me exactly. Who am I?
So it's up to you, but we are here to help you. If you do not want to take help from us, then it is your choice. But we desperately want that you to be serve you like this,
Like this what?
to provide you service.
To provide me service, I already get I given you my responsibility of website. Why the heck you don't understand it? Right now the website is showing something inappropriate. Do you think that is good for my health and business?
Actually, right now I'm reading the contract which we have, and as per that contract, we hosted your website into
Are
their
you
server.
reading contract right now when I need your help to solve the issue which is inappropriate playing and
To
killing
solve
my
this
website
issue,
customers?
to solve this issue, we need your username and password. But
How the heck? No, no. Tell me first of all, why the heck you were reading the contract right now? Now you have got a time to read the contract, but you don't have time to fix my problem, huh? This is what you're trying to say, Mr. Sharma?
I asked you that you have to give me your username and password. But do you think? But do you are you allowing us to hack this server and to fix this problem without entering properly?
You're a coder, maybe. Who knows that? I'm just businessman, a person who just give you a responsibility. Why do I take so much of headache?
So you want to give us the responsibility like this, that kind of responsibility which put us into the bar?
Mr. Sharma, I had already given you the responsibility. Why don't you understand why my website is showing something irrelevant? That's my question.
To check it, we need username and password. Please provide.
Fine. This is the ABC 349. Go ahead.
Okay.
Check that.
ABC 349. Right. Okay. So who is Raghav?
Oh my God. My name is Raghav.
Then what are you doing right now, at 10 p.m. Tomorrow night on your laptop? You are opening the pornography websites and online Ludo playing games.
This is my laptop. See, don't snoop in my own personal life. I can do whatever I wanted to do. You had a responsibility, not my laptop. You had a responsibility of my website.
You did those things. That's why your website and web server is acting like this.
Oh, don't tell me, huh? I know the little Java and other Python language. So don't try to make me fool. This was your responsibility. Somebody is hacking on my website.
Right now we are able to fix it. We are going to fix it. But you have to be careful. You need to be activate your.
Don't argue with me, Mr. Sharma. Don't argue with me. Do your own job, which were you supposed to contracted and paid for. Right?
Your service is already updated and the problem is resolved by doing this conversation with you. But you need to be activate your firewall on your laptop. I'm not guiding you. I'm just suggesting you that if you activate your firewall, then it would be beneficial for you if for future like to avoid this kind of mishappenings.
Okay, so why do I give contract to a programming company to resolve this issue? And if I need an extra support, huh?
It's like a saying you need to buy.
Listen. I had a word with. Okay, let me tell you very honestly. I'm not interested to do business with you because you're not able to satisfy my need. You are not able to satisfy it. So this is 2 p.m. night. So I had less, I would say, traffic on my website. I'm saved somewhere, but I'm not sure whether people has recorded the screen and they will show on YouTube and other social media platform. Then I'm nobody, right? I lost everything.
Just take me a look about your domain name. Oh, Mr. Raghav, there is one problem. You are not able to leave us.
What?
Your domain name is registered by us on our name. If you leave us, then your domain name also goes.
Hey, I paid abc.com completely for a year. So what's the point?
Yes, for a year, but the payment made by our ATM card or our company's debit card. If you leave us, then we will withdraw our rights from you.
Withdraw the rights? Are you threatening me right now?
Yes, it's a bit kind of.
Are you threatening me? No, literally, what are you doing right now? I have Korean. No, you guys, this is your problem. You hire Korean guys to work on my server, and now you are threatening me back. Do you want to give me heart attack? Who's gonna take care of my family and my business?
So, Mr. Raghav, do you want to continue your service with us with this domain name?
See, with this, domain is mine, dude. Domain is mine. I have the complete right. I have the documents of my domain. I paid for it. I paid freaking $600 million for the particular domain. Do you understand it?
Just for this purpose, I will send you the contract which you have with us, and you can do as per your rights what you want to do. But we will get back all the rights from you apart from this domain and server.
Fine, I'm gonna contact to Yahoo for the better service because they are providing the really good deals, and even they are not hiring any newborn guy in the programming language, not from the
Mr.
Korea.
Raghav, I
They
think
hire people from yeah.
Mr. Raghav, I think you didn't watch today's news. Yahoo company was hired by us right now.
Hired by you.
Yes.
I don't want to work even Yahoo. And I'm gonna go with the Microsoft, Bill Gates company, the second richest person in the world. Okay, I don't want to continue with you. The Yahoo freaking 17 crore million companies. I don't want to do that.
Bill Gates is going to buy us, and maybe in this week we will work for.
Yes, I want Bill Gates to buy you. I want Bill Gates to buy you. I'll give you a million support to Bill Gates to buy you. Yes, I want you to be sold to Bill Gates. Yes, then you guys will realize you guys are small scale people has no manners to talk, and even no, you're showing me your attitude like, yeah, I'm kind of threatening to you, and even you didn't help me out what exactly you were supposed to do, perform a job. No, Mr. Sharma, with this kind of attitude, you're not going to do the business. And on the other hand, I'm taking back. I'm filing a lawsuit against you, okay? You will sooner receive an international lawsuit.
If you want to file a lawsuit, then you have to wait for 1 week because your lawsuit will goes directly to the Microsoft.
I have my own advocate in the same scenario.
But we don't have right now. We are going to be sell our company to Microsoft, and Microsoft lawyer will be deal with you.
Don't worry. Actually, Microsoft will not buy you. Trust me. I'm a businessman. You're just a service provider, right? Don't worry. I'll take care of Microsoft, and trust me, you are gonna nowhere. I'm going to destroy you and your freaking service from the website WWE World Wide Web. You will nowhere. Trust me, you will nowhere. Mark my word, Mr. Sharma. Your Sharma industry will be vanished.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Call cut.
Wow.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That was
Oh boy.
Everyone is okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm a little okay. I need a glass of water.
Wow. Nice positions, yeah. Seriously.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Okay.
Do you want to say something, Mr. Sharma?
No, I have this.
You lost one client.
No need.
Wow.
Wow, amazing answer. Attitude, see the attitude. Wow, level of attitude, man. No need.
No matter that life gonna ruin, no matter.
Yeah, attitude will remain.
Huh?
Yeah, I said
attitude.
If the same task done by by my employee, then the problem is then it's a big problem.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I couldn't understand.
Because right now I'm running my own company. No?
Mm-hmm.
If this kind of activity is done by my employee,
Mm-hmm.
then the problem is a very big problem.
Okay.
Right now it's done by me, so it's okay.
It's okay. Well. That's a different call. That's a different call. I thought you will be convincing your clients.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let it be.
It's my first experience, so I will not have much kind of activities like this in past, and even I was not aware about it, how to do it. And later on, with time, definitely if we do this kind of activity on our daily basis, then definitely.
It's really amazing to do role-playing job. Okay, let me tell you what happened exactly with the role-playing job. You get one character to play with no limits. Okay, for example, I was shouting on you.
Mm-hmm.
So this emotion is real.
Mm-hmm.
This emotion is real. You're having normal conversation with me. Hi, Mr. Raghav, what you have done? Okay, I ate mangoes. Oh, wow, do you like mangoes?
Mm-hmm.
So this is not real life conversation, right? I'm bounding with you, you're bounding with me, and some sort of like, yeah, I'm in a contract to you to talk. That's it. Right? Understanding, Vicky, what I'm talking? I am in a contract to talk with you. That's it. I have a compulsory to contract with you, and that will not be more effective if we don't do something beyond the boundaries. Okay, and this will be done a real life conversation. What the conversation I have done, that of course you will not get that kind of clients, but yes, it was a real life conversation, wasn't it?
Yeah, and also it could be. It is not happened.
One day.
But it could be. Yeah, one day it could be.
Right,
So,
Mr. Sharma? What? Are you... Hello?
Yes, I'm getting to your point.
So what I request you to kindly, whenever you are having a time, so don't go with the, strawberry life. Come out from the strawberry life in the real world. Practice with real facts and in real life.
Yeah. Debate.
Okay. Yeah, in debates, take participate in debates with whosoever you are discussing with. Go with the debate. Be the I would say be the guy of Republic TV. What is the anchor name of your Republic TV? Very known face. A Republic TV anchor who shouts very often to their to their host. Arnav Goswami, yes. So take the character of Arnav Goswami sometime inside you, so you will be talking in speed and meaning, with meaning, sometime with no meaning. So moreover, what I need to tell you, play the role, and you will able to tackle the real life situation. That's all.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Yes.
But we need to appreciate your attitude, huh? कोई बात नहीं. All right.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's see that these jobs are not exactly to be done every single day, but yeah, we'll more often will practice on the same. Okay, Mr. Sharma.
Yeah.
And Vicky, whenever you get the time, please, whenever you're practicing with anybody, please do that role playing and debate.
Yes, sir.
That will help you out to get the more command on language. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Great, Vicky. Bye then, Vicky. You can hang up the call.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye.